It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 14. Oh, I didn't even shake it. I'm just like diving right in. Are you kidding me? Are these cookie cutters? Oh, they are. Let's look at this. Wait a minute. I'm going to open them both, but this is what this is. It's a cookie cutter. Okay, here's the shape. And then here's the press. Right here. Right here. So you cut your sugar cookie out the shape, and then you use this to press the cookie with. That's really quite fun. This is great for like quilt parties, quilt group parties that you guys have. Do you go to any? Okay, so one is the spool, and then the other is the sewing machine. They could not be cuter. You would have to keep them in pairs though, so keep them in the baggie or something, because when you lose that press, you are not going to know what that shape is. You're like, oh, it's a sewing machine. Oh, sure, okay. Those are cute. I got to figure out if I'm going to make cookies.